Ой, nuostabus oras.
Wow. Well. Welcome back to another video, this time with Deimante.
Today's episode was sponsored by my holiday money.
And this was her first time ever riding a motorcycle.
Alone. Or ever driving anything that needs license. The moment I got on a bike, I think I was scared it's not, that I'm not gonna be tall enough, but it was actually fitting me. So then I felt safer that I can still have it in between my legs.
Yeah. Go for it, check. You have time now before everyone goes. Just go slowly.
The instructor said very early that we shouldn't go crazy and listen to the little devil saying you to go fast. So that was not much my intention. I was more of a learning what's happening. And you can remove it, I think.
What?
You can have it down on the thing. So I will know in the future.
Tiesiog jau turi išsilupta koja.
Okay.
The thing that I think went wrong is you went turning and front brake, then it does this.
I just was not looking at him. I was never keeping this like this.
Yeah, that I noticed. You were this close.
No.
No, but
You have more distance between each other?
of course.
Okay, then go back. It's all good.
Ой, nuostabus oras.
You are now professional.
Bandau koją pusę. Tu tiesiog ramiai visą laiką išlieta. Pam ir važiuojam ir vingiuojam.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
I am so proud of you, you have no idea. You are killing this. I am going like ha on the little
Just think of your video, the last one you did, how to run.
You're giving me wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly.
And here we are on the training ground. It started raining a bit harder, but that didn't really bother us. We had a lot of fun and we were doing little exercises. Here he's telling us about balancing on the bike. Now, I have trained a little bit, as some of you may have seen in previous videos, and this is the result. Not my best work, but better than the 1 second last year. And here we try to just go as slow as possible without feet touching the ground or falling over. Just be very delicate on the throttle and just try to be perfect. Professional. Professional.
Give me a kiss. Okay, now we're gonna try to do one lap.
There you go. Go slower.
Gali daryti, ką nori.
With my knees I'm holding the wheel.
Tai tu dabar gali, jeigu tu nori, biškai atsitiesink motociklą su kojom, tik su kojom. Pasitiesk.
So driving on a track was different in the way that you had some made up mountains. It was enough safe space to go off-road, if like off-road in case you don't know what you're doing. But it gave the obstacles to try what you're gonna meet in the woods. Going over obstacles, yeah, I had a lot of times when I was slippering and going off the road, but since I couldn't reach the brakes, I just noticed that you can get out of everything as long as you don't panic and just keep on driving. I didn't know that it's slippery. It's not safe. It's me being stupid, reckless, and have no fear. Sand was awful. You have no control over it, and comparing to mud or ponds or anything, sand is the worst. Driving in mud. Driving through mud was also a little more difficult, but it's like a challenge which way you're gonna go. You don't know if it's gonna be soft or not, so yeah, mud was way better in this case than sand. So I was driving, feeling fully confident about my skills in between the sandy racks, and then I just had a quick meeting with a god, and I don't know what happened. I just went everywhere. My wheel went one way, I went another way, and on top of that I started going even faster and giving gas.
Who is she? Oh, gee. Oh, okay. I also almost went. Holy shit. behind you.
I was too stunned to speak.
I know.
I thought that's it.
I got on camera. Her heart is now going 200 kilometers an hour. Nothing
That
in
was
this
so scary. Oh my,
Oh,
and you
baby.
followed me?
Yeah, no, I
done
also
that.
fell.
I didn't fall.
No, you didn't fall, but I was in my head. So, what did you think?
Help! Oh my god.
My beard
Oh my god. This is so much harder than I thought. But I'm professional.
Yes, you are. Okay, so, well, thank you guys for watching. And thank you for driving with me.
If you want to see more adventures, you just have to follow Joking Viking. Bye!
Bye!
Beautiful. And 999 plus 1 is 1,000. Oh, I'm
Quick
saying how...
math. Rephrase it a little then.
Here, this was the moment where I thought like I'm showing off my ass to Xavier and he sees me at... Maybe we will put in the picture what I thought I looked like.
Tell me what you felt when you first got on the bike. Where is your microphone? Oh, it's there, okay.